just got to, you know what you're doing and you're confident with what you're doing.
Yeah, but they throw the confidence out the window.
Yeah, you've just got to be confident in yourself.
Yeah,
that's all.
I know.
And you're doing such a great job, so don't let anyone else get in your zone.
Nick real.
Yeah.
Good on you, Tam. But it's definitely less stressful when, 2 days before reveal, your room is looking like this, as opposed to everyone else's.
Great.
Looking good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
We're
are.
happy.
Yeah, we're happy.
And you're pretty damn close to finishing, aren't you?
We are pretty damn close to finishing, yeah.
Okay. I think we're done.
Done?
Yep.
Oh, my God. Tam's already styled.
Who?
Tam's already styled.
Yeah, well, we know that.
Everything's in there. Are you kidding? How?
Well,
How's that possible?
It's been a really good week for us.
Really good week. Done, apart from curtains, which is out of our control. Other than that, we are finished.
So hang on, you finished your room on a Friday night?
We did finish our room on a Friday night.
Done. Far out.
We're done.
Friday night. It's a big record.
No one has ever finished a room 2 nights before room reveal.
Friday night. Go to lunch with Scotty. Or if anyone else finishes by tomorrow lunch, they can come as well.